Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com, and in this video we'll learn about list styles. Okay, CSS list styles. Okay, the appearance of ordered list or unordered lists can be controlled using list style properties. Alright, and in list styles we have list style type, list style type, list style image, and list style position. Okay, list style type, list style image, list style position. We'll learn this one by one. First, let's write CSS code. We'll create ordered list first. List style type. Okay, list style type value, and here value could be disk, a circle, square, decimal, lower or upper Roman. Okay, value could be disk, circle, square, decimal, lower or upper Roman. Alright, so let me write let's say disk here, disk, and I'll save that. And in example.html, let's create a list, ordered list. Let's close that. li, okay, so I'll just copy this, paste. Okay, let's say Google Plus, Facebook, what else, YouTube, Twitter. Okay, I'll save this and I'll refresh it here. See here, this is our disk. Okay, if I write circle here, IRCLE, will only have circle. Okay, the inside part will be empty. See here, that's circle list. Okay, the style is circle, list style is circle there, and we could also add square or a decimal. Okay, first C square, decimal. Okay, or lower or upper Roman, lower Roman. I'll save that. That's lower Roman, or you could add upper Roman. I'll save that and refresh it here. That's upper Roman. Okay, so that's list style type property, list style type property. And after this we have list style image. Okay, list style image, list style image, and the URL path. Okay, URL image name. Okay, image name comes here. Alright, in my E drive I have an image called named list. Okay, here you can see I have an image named list. I'll use that image here, and let's see the format of this image. It's okay, GIF, list dot GIF. Okay, I'll save this. Alright, this is also good, and I'll refresh it here. See here, this is our list style image. Okay, we are using an image here. Okay, list style image property. So that's how we add images in lists. Okay, list style image and URL and the path of our image. Okay, and the next one was list style position. Okay, position and value, and here value could be inside or outside. Okay, value could be inside or outside. All right, so I'll give you an example, both inside and outside. I'll just copy this one whole thing and paste it here, and we are creating two ordered lists, one ordered list and one unordered list here. Let this be outside. Okay, ordered list is inside and unordered list is outside. Okay, we have only ordered list here, so Control C, Control V. Let's just write unordered list here and unordered list here, and it's better we also write a little sentence there. Okay, OL was inside. Okay, right, this list is positioned inside. Okay, Control C, Control V. This list is positioned outside. All right, so we are creating two lists here. One is ordered list, which is positioned inside, and the other is unordered list, which is positioned outside. All right, so this is our ordered list positioned inside, this is our unordered list positioned in outside. All right, I'll refresh it. See here, so see, if imagine there is a line here. Okay, if there is a line here, so this is inside. Okay, and this list is outside, isn't it? If you draw a line here, the first ordered list is inside, and the next unordered list is outside, isn't it? So that's how we can control the position of ordered list and unordered lists. Okay, using list style position property. All right, and that's all in this video, guys. In this video we learned about list style properties in CSS, and in that we learned list style type, list style image, and list style position. Okay, so see you in the next video.